Welcome to my channel, where today we're stepping into the future of road travel with a masterpiece on wheels. The 2026 KIA RV, a motorhome that isn't just transportation, it's a rolling mansion. This is not just an RV, it's a palace on wheels. Designed to combine Korean engineering brilliance with pure luxury living. Imagine the comfort of $1 million mansion, but mobile, sleek, and futuristic. KIA has made that dream a reality. The exterior design is bold, aerodynamic, and futuristic, with LED lighting strips that make it look like something out of a sci-fi movie. Step inside and the story gets even better. Plush interiors, spacious living spaces, and technology that feels like you've stepped 10 years ahead. From the panoramic glass windows to the seamless smart home integration, everything in this motorhome whispers sophistication. It's not just about traveling, it's about traveling in ultimate comfort, style, and luxury. Now, let's walk into the heart of this home, the kitchen. Designed for those who love cooking while on the road, it features premium marble countertops, sleek cabinetry with soft touch finishes, and state-of-the-art appliances that rival any modern apartment kitchen. Imagine preparing your meals on a full induction cooktop, storing fresh food in a dual smart refrigerator, and enjoying the convenience of an inbuilt dishwasher. The lighting is warm and inviting, making the space both practical and stylish. There's also a touchscreen panel that controls appliances, lighting, and temperature right from your fingertips. Every detail in this kitchen screams elegance, making cooking not just a chore but an experience of pure luxury on the road. Moving to the bedroom, you'll find comfort like never before. A king-size memory foam bed with customizable firmness ensures a restful night after a long journey. The room is surrounded by ambient LED lights that create a calming atmosphere. While massive panoramic windows let you wake up to breathtaking views, there's even a retractable entertainment screen, personal climate control, and hidden storage compartments that maximize space. The finishes are top tier, with leather-wrapped panels, oak textures, and a ceiling skylight that lets you sleep under the stars. The 2026 KIA RV doesn't just offer a bedroom, it delivers a private sanctuary that competes with luxury suites. Step into the bathroom, and you'll immediately notice how KIA redefined what a motorhome bathroom can be. Full-sized with heated flooring, rainfall showers, and premium stone finishes, it feels more like a five-star spa. A smart mirror with integrated displays gives you weather updates or plays music while you freshen up. The sinks are modern vessel style with touchless faucets, and there's even a compact washing unit discreetly tucked away. This bathroom is more than functional. It's a personal wellness retreat that makes living on the road as comfortable as any luxury penthouse. Now let's circle back again to the kitchen, because repetition reveals how consistent the luxury really is. The design remains sleek yet practical, with everything arranged for maximum convenience while traveling. Whether you're whipping up breakfast with fresh ingredients from the smart fridge or preparing dinner under elegant ambient lights, this kitchen brings the comfort of home into a motorhome setting. The bedroom once more shows us how indulgent KIA wanted this RV to be. It's not just a place to sleep, it's a chamber of peace. You can transform the lighting to fit your mood, recline into the bed while the entertainment system drops from the ceiling, and watch your favorite shows as if you're in a luxury apartment. Privacy blinds slide with a touch, ensuring your comfort wherever you park. Again, the bathroom does not disappoint. Every surface feels premium, every detail thought out. Rainfall showerheads, mood lighting, and spa-inspired interiors make you forget you're inside a motorhome. The storage is cleverly integrated and the materials feel high class, ensuring the bathroom feels nothing short of indulgent. Finally, let's talk once more about the luxury of the entire 2026 KIA RV. From end to end, this motorhome is a masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of comfort, design, and technology. It combines futuristic aesthetics with the warmth of a true home, making it perfect for long trips or full-time luxury living. Every inch reflects innovation, from the smart systems to the handcrafted interiors. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, a symbol of freedom and luxury blended into one. And that's the review of the 2026 KIA RV. More luxurious than $1 million mansion. If you enjoyed this deep dive into KIA's luxury motorhome, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next tour of groundbreaking vehicles redefining travel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.